Do you know many people are having trouble with their Nikon COOLSHOT, TPROIIC, TIIT, BILIZ, ED suddenly stopping working? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Press Power button. Ensure that the PWR button on top of the rangefinder is pressed properly to power on the device. Step 2. Check battery placement. Open the battery chamber and verify that the battery is inserted with the correct orientation following the positive and negative indicators. Step 3. Replace the battery. Replace the old battery with a new 3VCR2 lithium battery, ensuring the correct orientation, and secure the battery cover tightly. Step 4. Review settings. Turn on the device and review settings, adjusting the unit of measurement and other modes if needed. Step 5. Clean the lens. Inspect and clean the lens surface using a soft, dry cloth to remove dust and smudges that might interfere with the laser detection. Step 6. Check display. Check the internal display for any error icons or messages that might indicate a specific problem. After following these steps, your Nikon COOLSHOTPROIISTABILIZED should be up and running smoothly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Nikon users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.